fall, y'all.
Happy fall, y'all. Welcome back to the fall series that I made up all on my own. So anyways, today we are making banana pudding. Southern goodness. We're going to show you an easy recipe.
But not just any recipe. We scoured YouTube.
Yes.
And we looked at a bunch of different videos, and a lot of big YouTubers, and like even these big corporate accounts and stuff, are making this recipe. So, by default, this is the banana pudding recipe.
This is the banana pudding recipe. You're not going to find it any better
The
anywhere
best.
else. Ever.
The best.
We are the best.
Per YouTube, per content creators, this is the jam. We're making it. Make it this holiday season. Drop the mic.
It's really easy too. So follow along with our simple ingredient, fall, southern, banana pudding recipe that is the best you'll ever find.
Okay. Here we go, babe.
Okay.
And here we
go.
What a hot mess intro. Go.
Okay, so I'm ready to give you the shopping list, but first I wanted to let you know we are doing 2 pans today because we, due to dietary restrictions and trying to be healthy, are going to do 1 small glass pan for him and I, and a big one that we're going to give away to some friends. All right, your shopping list contains vanilla or French vanilla powdered packaged Jell-O mix, 4 bananas, 1 1/3 cup of milk, 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 can, it's 14 ounces of sweetened and condensed milk, and a bunch of vanilla wafers. We're using minis because we're making a little bit smaller dish, but you can use the big ones. Okay, that's not the truth. I just couldn't find the big ones, so we're using minis. 1 package of vanilla or French vanilla Jell-O. We're going to use 1 1/3 cup of milk. Oh boy. And 1 whole can of sweet and condensed milk. Okay, now you want to mix it all together until you get it blended for about 2 minutes. You can use a hand mixer or you can use a whisk. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Okay, next up we're going to chop our bananas. We're going to do small slices, about, I don't know, what is that? 1/4 of an inch?
Yeah, rounds.
Rounds. And we're just going to go through and do all 4 bananas. Depending on the size plate you're making is going to depend on how many bananas you need.
I don't think I've had banana pudding since I've been like 10 years old.
Yeah.
It's been a hot minute.
It's been a while for me too. I don't make it very often. It's very yummy though. I actually do like banana pudding pie. Banana cream pie.
Oh, banana cream pie. Yeah, that's good too. I think the neighbors are going to be happy with this.
I think so too. And if you have any little spots on your bananas, just cut it out and throw it in the sink. Next up, we're going to make the whipped cream. So I have here about 2 1/2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I have a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. I'm going to pour that in. I don't have a hand mixer. Surprisingly, Josh has bought me pretty much every cooking utensil under the sun for our anniversaries.
We got to wait for our next anniversary, babe.
Maybe our 5th anniversary coming up in a couple mix, I'll get a stand mixer. We'll see. It could only be my lucky day, right?
Hey, this is a Vitamix. It's a very nice blender. Link below.
Well, 3-year anniversary gift right here. So we're going to put those in there. Josh has never seen whipped cream made before, so this is going to be exciting for him.
I don't know if this is even going to work, babe.
Of course you don't, because why would you trust me, babe? That I know what I'm doing. You're going to start it off on low, and you're going to slowly basically blending it, mixing it so that you're putting air into it, and that's what's going to cause it to make whipped cream.
But it would work better if you had a hand mixer?
It would work much better if I had a hand mixer. See it thickening up? Would you like to look at it? that look good, babe?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Are you amazed?
I'm amazed.
Would you like to try it?
No, I'm waiting for the final result.
Tastes good. You can add sugar too. But again, we're being a little healthier. Okay, so our pudding is set up. It's been about 20 minutes. We've got it nice and firm. So I'm going to dump this into a bigger bowl.
The one thing about this recipe, apparently, is you get all your bowls dirty.
Yes, that's true. You get a lot of bowls dirty. And then we're going to mix our whipped cream in with our pudding, and then we're going to fold it all together. Can I just say that Josh had no faith in me, and I'm really excited because I love when I prove him wrong.
I did have faith in you.
It's like the best feeling ever. You didn't think my Vitamix whipped cream was going to work.
Of course it was. That's the best anniversary present ever.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it is. All right, so let's get this all folded in together. And it kind of fluffs up the pudding. The pudding is pretty sweet again, so that's another reason I did not put additional sugar into our whipped cream. Using that sweetened condensed milk makes it very sweet. So we're doing a little miniature one, just so you can kind of see the layers before we put the big one into our silver tin. So if you're doing a big pot, you can do a 9x13, you can do a trifle, you can do it any way. But either way, you want to start with some vanilla pudding here on the bottom.
Mixed in with homemade whipped cream.
Mixed in with homemade whipped cream out of the Vitamix. Okay. I'll set that there. And then we're going to go banana. And I like to put a little wafer right there. You can line your pan with vanilla wafers so that you can they kind of form a crust here. You can get creative and just, decorate it however you feel happy. Wafer, banana. Oh, I need a wafer right here.
Nice, babe.
We have our first layer. Next, we're going to lay on more pudding. You want to cover all your sides. Get a nice thick little layer there. And then we do it again. Okay, I threw a few bags in this, or a few cookies in this little bag, and I'm just going to crush them up so that we have a little crumble for the top. Okay, there's that. We're going to put one last layer on, and then we'll spread our crumble, and we will be done.
And then we'll take our thumbnail, babe.
And then we will take our thumbnail. Okay. I might as well eat it. Oh, that's good. Looks kind of pretty. What do you think?
Good job, babe.
Okay.
Okay, babe, I'm letting you do the taste test and the outro. That's it. You're wrapping up the whole video, babe.
Babe, you need to wrap up the video. I'm not gonna. All right.
You gotta try your creation.
Okay, I need a bite of banana. That's a huge bite. Look at that. Bite of banana, a bite of cracker, a bite of pudding. Mm-hmm.
Is that the best recipe on YouTube?
Mm-hmm. That's the best banana pudding I've ever had in my life.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
You know why?
Why?
Because we made our whipped cream and a Vitamix. That's why. Okay. Give it a try. Super easy, inexpensive, great dessert to serve at parties, great to bring to parties, great for the holidays, great when you have a craving. Super easy. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Give it a try. Tell us what you think. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the join button. Hit the bell.
That's a lot of things to hit, babe. And you
Just
too
go
could
ding,
put
ding,
your
ding,
name on
ding,
the screen too.
And then hit our join button, and then you can have your name scrolling up like it is right now. Thank you to all of our channel sponsors. Thank you to everyone who supports us. We love you all. You're all amazing. Thank you. Was that good?
That was great, babe.
Okay, I can't eat any more of that because I'm going to be sick.
It's
so rich.
so rich and so good.
It's so good. I'll eat the whole thing if you don't stop me now.
There we go. All right. Until next time.
See ya.